In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Onedrive Personal on your PC. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a seamless way to store and access your files across devices using Microsoft's cloud service. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open File Explorer on your PC. Typically, you can do this by clicking on the folder icon found at the bottom of your screen on the taskbar. This is where you'll be able to navigate through all the files and folders on your computer. So go ahead and click that icon to open up File Explorer. Once you have File Explorer open, take a look at the left panel where you should see various folders and drives listed. Among these options, locate and click on the OneDrive option. Selecting this will take you directly to your OneDrive folder. This is the folder on your device where all the files you've chosen to synchronize with the cloud service will be available. Now that you've accessed your OneDrive folder, the next step is to right-click on the OneDrive icon or its name within the File Explorer sidebar. A context menu will appear, providing you with several options. From these, select Settings. Doing this will open a new window that is crucial for configuring how OneDrive operates on your computer. In the new Settings window, find the Account tab at the top. By clicking on it, you'll reveal all the essential information and controls related to your OneDrive account as it pertains to your current device. At this point, it's key to verify that your OneDrive account is properly linked to your PC. This step ensures that any changes or updates you make to your OneDrive files are accurately reflected on your device. After confirming the linkage of your account, your next focus should be on the Sync and Backup section. From the various tabs at the top of the Settings window, select Sync and Backup. Understanding this part is crucial because it manages the flow of your data between your PC and OneDrive. In this section, you'll want to click on Manage Backup, which gives you the power to decide which folders on your computer are included in the automatic backup to OneDrive. Here, you'll find options to enable backup for folders such as Documents, Pictures, and Desktop. By selecting these folders, you ensure that their contents are continuously protected and accessible via OneDrive, no matter what happens to the local data on your PC. Finally, after making your selections, the last step is to click Save Changes. This action will apply all the modifications you've made and activate the backup for the selected folders. And there you have it. You've now set up OneDrive Personal on your PC, which means your important files are securely stored and easily recoverable from any device with internet access. By following these straightforward steps, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your data is protected and always within your reach.